Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I am Miss Ann Opara. This is English grammar class, and the topic before us is the present continuous tense. Now, you may have heard about this topic before, or you may not have heard about it before. Either ways, I got you covered. So sit tight because this class is going to be an interesting and an amazing class. So let's dive right in. So, for us to fully understand what present continuous tense is, we must have had an understanding of present tense. What I mean is, before you can know present continuous tense, you need to first of all know present tense. That's what I mean. So, what is present tense? Present. Present means now. So present tense is talk about something that is happening now. Okay? But hold on, I don't want you to go with that definition because if I follow that definition or if you follow that definition, it might get you confused. You might get confused with what present continuous tense is. So let's say present tense is used to talk about things that happen regularly. What does regularly mean? Regularly means something that you do every day, something that you do all the time. Example, brushing your teeth. It is expected that we brush our teeth every day. So you wake up on Monday, you brush your teeth. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you brush your teeth. So you can use present tense to talk about things that you do every day. I sleep at night, right? Every night I sleep. I work during the day. So that is what present tense, something that you do every day. Present tense also is talk about facts. What are facts? Facts are things that everybody knows. So you don't need to argue about it because everybody knows it. It's a fact. It's what it is. Example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's a fact. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So that's a fact. The sun rises in the east is a fact that everybody knows that the sun rises. Or is there any day that you've come outside and you're looking for the sun that, oh my God, I can't find the sun today, what's happening? No, the sun is always there. So the sun rises, it comes from the east and sets in the west. So that's a fact. So that's present tense. Just talk about things that we do every day and things that everybody knows. Talk about facts, okay? So let's look at more examples of present tense. Like I said, present tense talks about things that we do regularly, or it's also used to talk about facts. So the structure of a present tense is that you always use a verb. Verbs are action words. So you normally use a verb in its raw form. I go, you go, he goes, she goes, we go, they go, it goes. Did you get that? So action word, go, sleep, eat, talk, walk. Those are the kind of verb you normally use in present tense. But now, depending on the kind of subject you are using, that will determine whether you're going to use S or ES with that verb. Now for I, you, we, they, you make use of the raw form. So I go, you go, we go, they go. But for he, she, and it, you always have to add S or ES. So in this case, we're adding ES. So he goes, she goes, and it goes. Another example, I dance, you dance, we dance, they dance. But for he, she, and it, you're going to add an S. So that becomes he dances, she dances, and it dances. So you can see the example I have over here. I play basketball on weekends. She loves reading. They speak English in US. So that is a quick recap on present tense. Alright, so let's get to the actual focus of the lesson. So now that we fully understand and we now remember what present tense is, let's now get to present continuous tense. Now, present tense talks about things that we do every day, things that we do all the time. But for present continuous tense talks about what is happening right now as I'm speaking. What is happening at this very, 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 very moment. What's happening now is what you call present continuous tense. Example, I am talking. That's what I'm doing now. I am talking. You are watching. You are listening. And we are learning. Did you get that? So that's your present continuous tense. What are we doing now? Miss Anne is talking, you are watching, you are listening, and we are learning together. So that's present continuous tense. So it talks about actions that are happening at that very moment. So example, I am reading, she is dancing, they are playing football. So how is the present tense, how is present continuous tense formed? Like I told you, you need to have a subject. Subject is the person that is doing something. Then am goes with I. You cannot say you am or he am or she am. No. You can only use am for I. So I am. But you normally use are for you, we, and they. So you are, we are, they are. So you cannot say I am. I are, or he are, or she are. No. Am is for I. Are is for you, we, and they, while is for he, she, and it. So I am eating, not I is eating, or I are eating, I am eating. She is watching a movie, not she are watching a movie, or she am watching a movie. No, they are playing on the field, not they is playing on the field, or they am playing on the field. The dog is barking. The dog, you can change it to it is barking. So not the dog are barking or the dog am barking. So did we get that? So that is how present continuous tense is formed. Then you always add ing to the back of the verb. So there's always ing so that thing is happening right now. So eat becomes eating. Watch becomes watching, back becomes backing, and play becomes playing. So you always add ing. That's how you know your present continuous tense. So we are wrapping up this lesson. I want to know if you've been having fun because I obviously have been having fun. It's a really, really simple, interesting topic. So with everything we have learned in this class, practice time. All right, so I want you to try this out. So choose the correct verbs in present continuous tense. Hint, your present continuous tense end with ing. So section A, you have the teacher dash to the class. Is it the teacher is talk to the class or the teacher is talking to the class? So choose your correct answer. That's what you're going to do in section A. Now for section B, you have two things you are doing. Remember that I was teaching you that am goes with I, blah, 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 blah. So now they dash, is it they are or they is? Now, is it going to be swim will not change to, remember that swim becomes swimming. So I've helped with that first one. So they are swimming in the pool. So it's a very fun, simple exercise. And with that, we have come to the end of today's class. All right, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.